you've watched my channel for a while, you've heard me say that AI will never replace virtual assistants. And I need to update that because AI is replacing a certain kind of virtual assistant. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which kind is getting replaced and how to make sure that you are not the one on the chopping block. Let's not sugarcoat it. If your entire service is I answer emails, I schedule meetings, and I copy data from one place to another, AI tools can already do most of that, cheaper, faster, and at 3 in the morning without complaining. A client can ask AI to draft 20 emails in the same time that it takes me to write a Slack message, okay? That's just the reality now. So the question isn't, will AI take VA tasks? It already has. The real question is, what can't it take? Now, most people's instinct is to say, okay, I need to learn more skills, more tools, get more certification, because that feels more productive. But that is actually backwards, because you are competing with AI on AI's home turf. You will literally never outtask a machine. Let me tell you what happened with one of my own clients as I became more AI forward. She didn't pay me to schedule her calendar. Technically she paid me to schedule her calendar, but what she was actually paying me for was every morning I would look at her week and say, hey, you've booked yourself into 3 back-to-back pitch meetings the day after a red-eye flight. I'm moving 2 of them. No AI tool did that. And it's not because AI can't move meetings, but it's because AI didn't know her. It literally did not know that she was useless after red eyes. And it did not care whether her pitches on that Thursday went well or not. And I want you to zoom in here, please, because this is important. AI replaces task doers. It promotes problem solvers. So the VA who says to their client, just tell me what to do, is competing with a $20 a month subscription service. But the VA who says, here's what I've noticed, and here's what I'm going to do about it, is competing with nobody. Okay, because judgment, context, and actually caring about the outcome are not things on AI's featured list. So how do you become that second kind of VA? We have to look at just 3 shifts. It's just 3 things, guys. Shift number 1, I want you to start marketing and selling outcomes, not just hours. So saying something like, I manage your inbox is a task, but reframing it as you will never miss an email again, and your reply time in email will drop to under 1 hour a day is an outcome. It's the same work, but it's a completely different value because you're promising that your client will be more in the know with less work. Shift 2, become the person who runs the AI. Now here's the plot twist that nobody talks about. Business owners are drowning in AI tools that they do not have time to learn. So the VA who can actually say, I'm going to set up your AI workflows, I'm going to check the work, you just turned the possibility of being replaced into your biggest selling point, okay? Because AI needs somebody who will tinker around with the inputs and make sure that the outputs are actually good. So congratulations, because you just became that manager. And shift number 3, build the relationships that AI just can't copy. Okay, so every month when you work with a client, you accumulate stories and context. You get to know things like their work and their life preferences, their pet peeves, or you learn about the vendor they work with who is always late. A new AI tool starts from 0 every single time it gets booted up, but that's not you. You're starting with a lifetime of history and context. And right now, if you were just starting as a VA, I'd imagine that you might be thinking, great, the bar to entry just got so much higher, but it actually didn't get higher, it got clearer. You do not need to learn 50 tools and become a tech genius. You just need to bring the one thing that you already have, which is human judgment, and pair it with a handful of tools that you know how to do really well. I genuinely feel that starting a VA business right now in the AI era is a huge advantage because you get to build your business in a new way from day one, while established VAs like myself have had to unlearn a lot of the old ways of doing things. So yes, AI will replace some assistants, and it will replace a version of this job that was already underpaid, undervalued, and honestly, the copy and paste kind of nonsense that was pretty miserable. So to that, I say good riddance, because the version that is left behind, where you are a trusted partner in someone's business, where you're charging rates that reflect your good judgment, not just the speed in which you get tasks done. This is the virtual assistant business that we've all been fighting for. So congratulations, friend, you're here at the right time of history. Now, if you're looking for a clear starting point, like baseline planning, no 50 tool tutorials, check out my free VA bootcamp. It's a 3-day bootcamp, which is free. It's gonna walk you through just the baseline, step-by-step, what you can expect as a virtual assistant. And if you are past the free stuff and you're ready for a real plan, my VA Ready program is a course that's built exactly for this moment. It's the confidence and the clarity program that you need before you launch your business. And if you are already confident, you are ready to launch and scale, then my VA Business Blueprint helps you build your business in the new AI world step by step. Now, this program is relaunching in August 1st, 2026, so be on the lookout for some more announcements. Or if you'd like to get on my waiting list for early access, I'm going to link to that below as well. Next, I recommend that you watch my video on how VAs are actually landing their first clients nowadays. And spoiler, it is not cold outreach. So that's popping up somewhere here above me, and I will see you in that video.